Hi everyone, I am here to showcase the HomeLocator app that you guys see in the back here. And before I actually get into it, the part that I'm focusing on here right now is going to be push notifications. Specifically, let me actually ask the question this way. How many of you love using Facebook on your browser, on your mobile browser, but on actually Chrome? So not opening the app, but actually using Facebook on Chrome. We all know the answer to that question is nobody loves using Facebook on Chrome because it sucks. So I'm truly excited to showcase this functionality because it gives our clients the ability to consume the listings they're getting in a much better and faster way. So they no longer have to open their email, to open the listings, to open the view in Chrome, to actually browse them, because we now have the application that they can actually use. To give you guys an idea of how the application works, it's going to be one application for all of our clients. Our clients are going to be able to send their leads or their clients a link. When those clients download the actual application, the application is going to be automatically associated to that client. So the contact info tab will have your information in it. So now, for listings, we all know that in our system, we have the ability to set up clients and searches. When new listings come out, we currently send an email with those listings, but now with the app, we're actually going to be able to do a push notification. So I'm actually going to show a live example of that push notification now. I've forced my app to send me a push notification. Here it is. So I'm a client, I'm just a regular person looking at listings and looking at what's available, and this is what I get. So when I receive a notification there's new listings, it'll actually open up right away the search that I have. In this case, I have a search for Burlington that I have, the agent is essentially saved for me, and I'm looking at properties between 1 million to 1.5 million. And for a house. So anytime I get that search, it'll show me currently everything that I've looked at. So you can see here what I viewed, it'll show as viewed. And whatever is new, it's going to show at the very top. So I can actually consume that much faster and much easier. And if I click on any one of these properties, let's say I click on that one, I can actually see all the information right on the app. I can click into the actual pictures to view all the pictures and see everything that I need to see much quicker than I would have ever been able to do. Now, what truly happens with this, guys, is when your clients get used to this and using the application in such a way that they hate using anything else, because this is so much easier. Another really cool feature, actually two really cool features that I want to talk about specifically when it comes to this stuff. So first off, liked homes. If I go to liked homes here, I as the client can actually see a list of all the homes that I've actually liked. And I can see those that are active, those that are sold. I can see when they sold and what they sold for. This is on the Toronto Real Estate Board or other boards that we're actually getting sold data for. They'll be able to see all that. They will be able to see the actual details of each of those listings as well. So if I actually want to open the details of the listing and look at the pictures and all that, I'll be able to do that. I can see the ones that are off the market, so meaning that they're no longer available. I did like them, but they're no longer available. So that kind of gives you an idea there. And then the last part that I kind of want to showcase here is push notifications, but for sold listings. So what I mean by that for sold listings is basically we also have sold listings saved inside of our system, meaning that whenever a sold listing comes out in my area or my neighborhood, it'll actually notify me. So I'm going to force push notification here just like I did for the active listings for sold listings. So your clients will then get this notification here. And when I open that notification up, it's actually going to show me all the sold properties. So I can actually view all the sold properties that you can see here for that saved search. If I click on the map, it'll show me exactly where that saved search is for, because we don't want to get all over Oakville. We only want to concentrate on the area where your client is. So I truly didn't want to make the video too long. It's already 3 minutes and 50 seconds. It's hard to consume these really long videos. I'm truly excited to get this out to you guys as soon as possible. As I mentioned last time, we are in private beta right now, testing the actual application. We're going to go to more of an expanded beta, and the moment we do, we'll let all of you know. We're planning to hopefully do it in December to open up the beta a little bit more. Why we're being a little bit careful with the actual releasing the application to a lot of people is we need to make sure we iron out all the bugs, meaning that this is going to be a public application that everybody's going to be able to rate. So if the application gets rated bad, it's going to be pretty bad, because nobody wants to download an application that's rated bad. So that's the reason why it has not been fully released yet. We're making sure that it's working perfectly before we do. And if you guys have any questions for me, please let me know. I'd love to help answer them.